Hi everybody, this is final setup, and as you see is very simple setup because I found a very high capacity condenser. We have there 6000 microfarad. This means 6 millifarad. It's a very big capacity. So I will explain in short time as what we have here. Here we have a driver for the modify half bridge of 4 MOSFET, 2 and 2 side, and the other side 2 MOSFETs. Is a bedini system charging battery, and instead of charging battery I use this light bulb that have 100 watts at 12 volt. So as you see here on the oscilloscope, we see the signal that enter in one side of the MOSFET here, here. And that means we have a long time coupled with this source. This source is a AC/DC inverter, 220 volts, 36 DC output. So we have here this source is coupled coupling very long with this condenser. But when I discharge this condenser in this light bulb, we see that current will be greatly improved. I will show you in a minute how it's done. So basically, I think this is also kapanadze replication, but he didn't say nothing about bedini. But I think this is bedini's work in principle. Okay, so I will start the system. I will put the switch on the source, 36 volts, and you see now the light is full bright. Okay, now we start measuring. We see here I have a voltmeter that which I use for measuring current. It's a clamp meter, so I will clamp from the input. On input you will see the input is from the source to the condenser, so the input will be, you see here, 192 ampere. I think it's about 12 volts. Okay, now the output will be measuring the lamp, of course. So here I will put on the lamp, and the measuring are 495. So you'll see in short time that I put only 190 amperes and I get out 496 ampere. This means that we have overunity coefficient about 2 and 2 points. So if I reverse the energy back to the source, I will have like everybody said, a perpetual motion. So the system is very simple. We have I forgot to say, but here we have also a very state-of-the-art DC inverter. I have here on the output 50 Hertz, precisely 50 Hertz. So I put here 220, I get DC, not pulse current, DC steady current, and here I have kind of pulse DC, but it's 50 Hertz. So with 50 Hertz I can drive motor, I can light bulb, I can do everybody used to do in their houses. But this is only at low scale, small scale, because if I put here say 220 volts, I will suppose I will put 5 ampere on the output, so I will have only 200 watts in and put out about 1 kilowatts. So I think this kapanadze made this, but right now the MOSFET doesn't support so much energy. To the end we will start again the system and measure again to see the coefficient. So we start the lights. You see it's very bright. Now we measure the input. The input is 193, 192, okay, and the output is 503. I think in time the current will raise because the condenser have theoretically take energy from the vacuum. So this is it. Thank you everybody. Let's do the work.